Hi, welcome to World of Geebee Bakery Equipment. We are the professional manufacturers of bakery, kitchen and display cabinets. And we are located in Bangalore, and we have our service station across India. We have shipped our product to 7 different countries, and our main manufacturing unit is in Bangalore, and our contact number is 888-488-580 and 888-485-8683. Thank you. As you can see, this product, it's manufactured by Geebee, and this is a front opening where you can lift the glass and you can clean the counter easily. And as you can see, this counter, this is made up of an extra clear glass, plus we have given a rubber beading for more accuracy, and you can see the finishing, how the output has come. So the main thing in the bakery is the display cabinets. Without this, you can't attract customers. So if you want to attract customers, come and contact us so that you can experience our product and you can purchase it. As you can see the top, this finishing is made up of a Korean, and the thickness you can see there's a 20 mm thickness. So that even if you put a weight or a load on this, the durability will be there, and you can sustain the counter for more than 5 to 6 years. Now the major thing in these type of counters is, when we give this type of hinges and a front opening, people won't give you this rubber beading. So in my company, we'll be providing you this rubber beading so that there will be no air gap, so that your counter will be clean and hygiene. So the bottom fascia, what you are seeing is a plain Korean. So this can be customized according to your color and sizes. And if you see the ambience of this counter, you can see the width. So this is how big it is and how luxury it is looking. So the other display counters you can see by manufactured by other vendors, it will be very small and tiny. But like this, it makes a statement for your bakery. So coming to another counter, this is a salad counter where you'll be getting a front fascia glass with an extra clear, and you'll be getting a containers to store your vegetables or any ingredients so that you can serve it to your customers. As you can see here, we have given you the containers where you can place your food, salads, spices and masalas here and serve it to the customer in a very clean way. The most important thing in these type of display cabinets is the glass. As you can see here, you can see the blue color, which means that it is an extra clear. And the normal glass which you can see in the other companies will be in green. So here, if you see a blue glass, which means that it is an extra clear. As you can see, this the front fascia, we have used an Korean material where the CNC machine is done, and then you can see the gluing part. This is not a panel, this is a Korean, so that you can clean with water and maintain your hygiene. Coming to the function, here we'll be providing you the digital meter where you can set the temperature according to your desired dish. This is a cooling unit where we'll be giving you the customized for heating option also. As you can see our products, we have the blenders, commercial blenders, we have a pizza oven, we have the sandwich toaster. This is 2 toasters, you can make the toasting at a time. And here you have a deep fryers, and this is the wide ranges of product which we manufacture and sell it to the customers with service. So you can see the quality, this is all a casting base. The latest technology, this machine is called a sheeting machine, where you will put the dough here, and in our machine you have this leg operated option where you can make it forward and reverse option, or you have another option where you can utilize your hands and do the operation. Now as you can see this quality of the sheeting thickness, where the sheeter will be using this material for longer durable life. Now when the product is done, you can extend this tray so that when the product is completed, you can collect your product here. Now in this upper part, we have given you this shield. When you open the shield, the machine switch will get switched off automatically. Additional to this, we'll be giving you this SS roller. Now coming to Geebee, we also manufacture kitchen equipment. As you can see, these are premium products for kitchen equipments. This is a Chinese counter. This is a continental burner. We only use imported casting base for our products and all the Jaguar company taps for our products. And major thing, now comes the burner. So in our burner, we only get it outsourced from Germany, and when you switch on our burners, you can see a blue flame, which is very important in this field because we don't want to see the red flames here. Now, talking about this hood, this is for the live counter, which you can display to the customer and see the fascia, how it is. The normal exhaust, which you can see, is a basic, but here we have manufactured in a premium way. How glossy it looks and how elegant it looks. Tired of seeing your old hot case in your bakery? Now we have a solution. In our Geebee bakery equipments, we have manufactured an elegant hot case where it is only for the premium clients and for premium look. You can see the finishing and the output, how glossy it looks, and it looks like a display box, not a normal average hot case which you see in your bakery. Now this is a single door with a single side, and here you have this in a customized way where we can match your counters according to the same design. Now coming to the small mixing batches, we have a solution for you. This is a 7-liter tabletop planetary mixer. This is a 5-liter tabletop planetary mixer, and this is 8 liters planetary mixer. This is a very special machine where this machine is used for icing of the cakes. When you bake the cakes, you keep the cakes here and take your creams and set the adjustment according to your heights, the cake heights, and then adjust the length according to your requirement. And you can see the proper finishing where you can see the sharp cuts where with the help of these two blades you can get the same finishing. Facing issue with the quality and the standards, we have a solution for that. This is a Geebee elegant display counters where we have manufactured in a classy look where you can see the inside part is totally made up of a Korean and the outside part is also made up of a Korean, but they see the walls. We have utilized the Korean materials and we have made as a partition for that, for the elegance of the materials. To level up your business by purchasing a premium counters, you can win your business. Having some confusion to start a business, we have a right solution for you. This is a Geebee manufactured chocolate machine where you can expect income of minimum 1 lakh per month, and I'll show you how you can elevate and step up your business. So very curious to know how you can earn 1 lakh, I'll show you. Now in your bakery or a cafe, you would be having some cake crumbs. So this is all the cake crumbs which you get it from the baked cakes. Now this tumbler cost is just 3 rupees or 2 rupees. This marshmallows will be costing you around how much? Just 2 or 15 rupees. And you'll be putting 2 to 3 strawberries and your chocolate compound is ready. Now you don't have to make any secret recipe for this. It is readily available in the market. Now take a glass and just pour the hot chocolate inside the glass and your product is ready. This step will be costing you around, like manufacturing cost is just around 30 rupees, but you can give it to the customer, sell it to the customer for 80 rupees. So your margin right there is somewhere around 50 rupees. Here we have given you a cabinet to keep and store your products so that it will be easier for you to give the toppings and serve it to the customer. This storage comes in cold or hot facilities according to the customer's requirement. Want to maintain a hygiene in your kitchen? We have a solution for that. Geebee has manufactured a cookie dropping machine where it is very compact and economically budget wise, if you just see, it is very cheap and also a good quality premium product for the bakers to maintain a hygiene for their cookies. This is our latest design manufactured by Geebee, gelato ice cream counters. In our gelato machine, you can see the side fascia which is totally made up of a Korean stone. So this makes a greater ambience for your counter. Tired of having your same display cabinets which is in an old method? Now we have introduced you a vertical counter where the height is 6 feet. You can store almost like 3 counters batch in a single display cabinet. Opening a premium cafe, we have a solution for that also. This is a island counter specially made for the premium clients where you can display your exotic cakes and special cakes for the customers. You can see the fascia here. So if you are wondering how we'll open this counter to place the cakes, come, I'll take you and show you. As you can see, our technology, we have utilized the latest technology and made this a closing feature. So the product tells you who you are. Tired of cutting the breads in hand? We have a solution for that. Geebee has manufactured a slicer bread cutting machine where you will be getting the size of 24, 34 and 40 bread and also 2-in-1. In whole India, we are the first manufacturer to give you the 2-in-1 option where you can put 2 breads at a time and cut according to your size. See this is a pound of bread. As you can see, this is a loaf of bread. Now, I'll show you how the cutting is going on. First, you'll be placing the bread. With the help of the height adjustment, you will set the height. When you set the height according to your bread loaf, this is a height adjustment. When you finish setting up with your height adjustment according to your bread loaf, you can start the cutting. 2 things are happening here. One, you are saving the manpower and the time. As you can see this is a 2-in-1 machine. Where, for example, if you are cutting a bread for 12 mm and a 10 mm, you get a machine together. He is only one guy, now he is doing the cutting. So even if you purchase a 2 machine, you need 2 operators. But here, you will be getting only 1 operator, 2 things are happening. The work is easily getting completed. With the help of a pusher, now the bread is cutting in a very precise way. No need to apply any force, the bread is cutting automatically. And just see the cuttings, precise cuttings, how it is. And see this cutting. So this is a customized one. So this is a 14 mm bread, this is a 12 mm bread. You can see the thickness of the bread. This machine is called a spiral mixer. So if you want to elevate your business and improvise in your quality, you have to put this machine. What it helps is like you'll be getting a slow speed and a fast speed option where you can mix the dough in a proper way. So here you have an arm and a hook. What it does is when you put the raw flour, you'll be getting 2 options. One is slow option and another one is a fast option. Also you will be getting a bowl forward and a reverse option, and you will be getting an automatic and a manual option. Advantage of using this machine is your run time for normal mixer will take 45 minutes. But by using this spiral mixer, your run time is just 7 minutes. So within 7 minutes, the work will be completed. And the capacity starts from 6 kg to 150 kgs of raw flour. to improvise in cakes, cake batters and cream, we have an option for that. This is called as a planetary mixer. The capacity starts from 7 liter and goes up till 150 liters. Here you have 3 models. One is a 3-speed option and other model is a 4-speed option, and you have a variable mixer. Now this is a single speed, where the speed is only stationary speed, you can't change the speed. So this is called as a single speed. This machine, it is called as a 3-speed mixer, where you will be getting fast speed, slow speed and a high speed. So if your laborers are creating an issue with the machine by not handling properly, we have a solution for them. This mixer is called as a planetary mixer, which is very premium and quality, where you won't be getting any gears. Instead of that, we'll be giving you a variable speed, where you can control your speed from low speed to high speed. Where in gear machine, you'll be getting only 3 or 4 speeds, where the speed will be fixed. But in this type of machine, you can adjust the speed and set your quality. We'll be giving you with the automatic timer control, where in planetary mixer you won't be getting an automatic option, but in this premium mixer you'll be getting an automatic option, and you'll be getting a hydraulic movement for both up down movement, and you have a manual and automatic option.
Coming to the ovens, these are the roti rack ovens. In ovens you have basic oven, automatic one and a roti rack oven. So in roti rack oven, you will be getting from a single trolley to 4 trolley. So according to your production, you can choose your model wisely.
And our contact number is 884 885 880 and 888 485 8683. Thank you.